What will you be doing at 8:30 this Saturday night, the 28th of March? I hope, like me and millions of other people across the world, you'll be turning off your lights, because this Saturday is Earth Hour. And for just 1 hour, people across Europe, across the world, will be showing their support for action to fight climate change. Now, what WWF want us to do this year is to have a candlelight dinner, whether it's at home, with friends, out in a restaurant that's also taking part in Earth Hour, however we want to do it, to take photos, to post them on Facebook or on Twitter, to show people just how big the support is. And it is big. It's not just the government, the Senedd, but all kinds of organisations and all kinds of buildings across the country will be dark on Saturday night. So I hope your home will be dark too, except for the candles, because mine certainly will.